Okay. So here we have Master Craftsman Chad here. And we are showing you our method of putting hardwood flooring into when you get in close to the wall here. So this is our method that we use. There's several, different methods of building and doing this stuff. This is our way of doing it. So if you like this method, great. Hopefully it helps you out. So what we have here is a Pro pull bar, a Z bar. So, as I'm sniffling. So anyway, so you see what we're doing here. We're up against the wall here. And these last pieces, we have to press them in place to our pieces we've already set. So what we're doing is we place a 2x4 up against the wall here to give us some stability, because this wall will cave in. You'll put a hole in it if you don't spread that load out. Okay? And then we have this, what's called a jack, power nail jack. These things are kind of expensive, so 200 plus US dollars. But it's a life-saving tool. So when you get into a wall situation like this. So, Chad, what do we do here?
Yeah.
Well,
put your Pro pull bar into place over the piece of hardwood there. Set it back. Push it up. Start shifting gears.
So the reason we're doing this method is we've discovered if you put the power nail jack, use this tool, well, the way that Power Nail designed it, it's got a little lip right here with a hook, all right? And it's made for close quarters, so where you can hook this on to the lip of this hardwood board right here. But what we've been finding is it lifts it up. It bends it at an angle when you put pressure on it. So we've discovered by using this little Z-bar and our little setup here, we can get this power jack away from the wall, and it gives us better leverage, and it holds the plane when we put pressure on it. So this is our method. And then we utilize a staple gun instead of a regular finish nail, right? So we'll set some nails in it. This is how we do it. Yes, it leaves a little bit of a bigger hole and a little bit more work to hide these penetrations in your board, but we think it holds better. So this is our method. Hopefully that helps you. All right, let's sink a nail in there. Staple. All right, so that's that section right there, and then he'll pop that jack. Okay, and then we'll scoot down here. And then we just keep biting at it. That's how we do this. We just bite at it. So see how it
Can exceed over 2,000 pounds of force.
Oh my.
Don't put your finger in there.
Right. And so we use the metal end of the mallet as it's dense and it has more striking force than the rubber side, and it scoots our scoots our flooring down so our butt seams are tight. You see, he'll depressurize it, scoot it on down. I call it nibbling. We nibble at it, walk it down. And it puts a lot of force on there. Don't be scared. You'll see a wall
Deflect.
right? It sure does. A lot. Don't be scared. Ooh-wee. You see it right there. Wow. And that's how you do that, right, Chadley?
That's how you do it.
That's how you do it. All right. Hopefully this helps you out. Peace. Comments, questions below. Thank you for watching, awesome people. Peace.